Hello guys, Sergio here from Enginetech to wish you a happy holidays and a happy new year. And for our Spanish speakers, Feliz Navidad y próspero año nuevo. Gracias.
Hey, it's Jacob here with Enginetech. Just want to wish everybody a happy holidays and a happy new year.
Hello, I'm Ryan from Enginetech. Happy holidays from us at Enginetech.
Feliz Navidad de parte de Enginetech y de mí, y que se la pasen bien con sus familias y ser queridos, y saludos.
Hey guys, Jason here with Enginetech. Just want to say thank you very much for your business and wishing you and your family a very happy holidays.
Hey, it's Darius from Enginetech. I just want to wish you guys a happy holidays and a happy new year.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
This is Tony with Enginetech, Team Leader of Sales, wishing you and your family a great holiday season.
Merry Christmas from Enginetech. We hope you all have a wonderful holiday.
Feliz Navidad y Año Nuevo les desea Enginetech.
Feliz Navidad para nuestros clientes y próspero año nuevo.
Happy holidays and Merry Christmas from Enginetech.
Hola, mis amigos y clientes, que tengan ustedes una feliz Navidad en estos días que se están celebrando. Son mis mejores deseos para todos ustedes.
From everyone here at Enginetech, Merry Christmas and thank y'all for everything this year.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Happy holidays from Enginetech.